Okay, what I want to show here is how to create a preloader and a progress bar for your Flash movies so that while they're loading, people have a progress bar to look at and they don't get frustrated and leave too soon. So I'll show you the movie I'm going to load. Control test movie. It's just a little ad for a book, for my book, and some pictures moving around. This is a fairly good sized file, so this is a good one to do it with. And let's just stop that. And notice that the size on this thing, if you look at the um, properties, is 600 by 150 pixels. So what I'm going to do is go here, and the brand new file, pretty much, all that it's got is it's set to 600 by 150, same as the thing we're going to be loading. And it's already been saved. That's important. These should be saved in the same folder. Then you can go to Window, Development Panels, Components, and go find a loader component, and just drop it in, and use the transform tool to resize it so it fills the screen. Then go in and give this thing a name. I'll call this Loader Movie. And then for your content path, give it the name of the content you want to add, which mine's called book.add.swf. So that's the thing we'll be loading. Scale content, I'm going to say no. I don't want to scale my content. And then I'm going to go to progress bar and just drag and drop that in. Now the progress bar usually goes in the middle. And what do we want here? For mode, we want to set that to pulled. And for source, we want to give it the name of our loader source, which was Loader Movie. And if you're confused about this, where this came from, just click on your loader, and that's the name of it. So that's where I got that. That's what attaches these two, so they know about each other. Then you need to take this loader. Let me just show you what's going to happen if I don't do this next step. If you just stop right here and you just saved it, and you went to Control, Test Movie, the loader is going to stay up. The progress bar is going to stay up, and you don't want that. So let's stop it and go to Window, Development Panels, Actions. And on my action script, what I'm going to do is type in something to turn off that progress bar. So we'll do an on complete and left curly bracket, this dot visible equals false, and let's do a semicolon to end that statement and a right curly bracket. And that's all we need. So I'll just read it again. On complete, this dot visible equals false with the parentheses and the curly brackets. And make sure that the progress bar is selected when you type this stuff in. And we can close that, and we can go to Control, Test Movie. And now the progress bar goes away, but we need to show you one more thing here. While it's being tested, you can go to View, Download Settings, and set it to whatever setting you want. Let's say DSL. And View, Simulate Download. Now see how it's loading, and it's showing you how long it would take to load this for someone who's got DSL. Which, that takes a little while, doesn't it? And if it's something else, like View, Download Settings, 56K, this thing's got so many graphics in it, it's good for me and you to know how long these things are going to take to load before we start putting them on our website. So that's a preloader and a progress bar. The easiest way I know how to do it, and I think that's the recommended way from Adobe.